approximately 37 million YouTube channels in total. So making big on this platform is definitely not a piece of cake. It takes a lot of effort, not just in creating and editing videos, but also posting the videos in the right way. While there are many advanced tricks that professional creators use, in today's video I'll be sharing some beginner-friendly tips if you are considering making content on YouTube. Number 1. Write a title that excites your audience. With hundreds of videos screaming to grab your attention, it is essential that you have the right title in order to excite your audience. To get ideas, you can simply paste relevant keywords in the YouTube search bar and check out what titles other creators are using. If you're posting a tutorial video, try to add some numbers, for example, 5 tips to do something or 7 ways to do something, etc. Number 2. Add the right description. Some basic elements that you need to add to your descriptions are: Number 1. A small para on what your audience can expect from the video. Number 2. Timestamps that can allow your audience to jump to the sections that they are most interested in. Number 3. Add relevant hashtags, but not too many. Ideally, add them at the end of your description. Anyway, they will appear on the top of your video title. Number 4. Add a small description of your channel. And lastly, add links to your website or social media channels. Number 3. Add tags using tools such as Tubebuddy. Please note that these tags are different from the hashtags that you need to use in your description. Although there is no guarantee that this will improve your video's performance, but it can help your audience find your video easily. If you post videos regularly, your videos can even start ranking for a particular topic in a few days or weeks. But how do we identify these tags? An easy tip is to install tools such as Tubebuddy. Here you can check tags used by top performing videos and copy-paste them in your tag list. You can also include tags that include your brand name. For example, I can use Digital Kosmos as a tag in addition to other generic tags. Number 4. Upload a high-resolution thumbnail. Once you install tools such as Tubebuddy, you will understand that there are certain criteria that are used while calculating your video's SEO score. Adding a high-resolution thumbnail is one of those. Also, a thumbnail plays an important role in improving the click-through rate of your video. You can create custom thumbnails simply by taking a screenshot from your video and adding certain elements like text, logo on it, using free editing softwares like Canva. Lastly, don't forget to add cards that link to other videos on your channel. Make sure to add them at relevant timestamps so people can actually click on them. You can also add playlists if you have an entire collection of relevant videos. The end screen feature allows you to add a custom combination of elements such as subscribe button, relevant videos, and playlists. A typical combo to add to the end screen is a playlist or video along with the subscribe button. I hope these tips help you to enhance the performance of your video. There are many other things one can do to improve the video's performance. If I missed something important, do let me know in the comments below. Also, if you found this video useful, please do like and subscribe to our channel and don't forget to share it with your friends. Stay tuned for more videos related to content marketing and skill development. See you next time.